everyone. So right now I'm doing an update on what happened to the farm animals. So here is Pepper, where you saw her in the other video, and this is a new baby goat. I think was born today. No, December 7th, 2022. This one, his name is Thor, and her name is Pepper. So Thor and Pepper. Here are the chickens. They're all fine, and every single one is fine. This one still fights me. He still wants to fight me. But yeah. And then, so that's why I have a stick to protect myself. Now that we're out of there, we can go to the other. So right here we have the ducks. This is supposed to be the goats. It's not finished yet, but I mean, it's not finished yet, but it's still a work in progress. So and there's the other chicken. This is the other chicken that is also trying to fight me. Here are the ducks. The goats are supposed to be in here, but it's not finished yet, so the goats could like escape and stuff. And also they're adding a roof up here. So we walk over here. Right here we can find Steve. He's a little more mature. And here are the goats. This is Peter, Natasha, Ironheart, or Riri, and Clint. And this is Steve, the horse. So earlier, this afternoon or evening, so Steve was over there, right? And Clint was coming over here, right? And Steve is over here, and yeah, so Steve right here, and he was coming over there, and then Clint started, and then what is his name? Oh, it's Corn. And then Steve, he started fighting Clint. So he began getting revenge, and then yeah, that's what happened. So we have some green here in the land, and let's go over here. Walk over here to the other side to show the ducks place. So this is the ducks. A lot of the ducks over here are already grown up. So here, you can see Steve chasing Clint. And here's Peter shouting for help. He's trying to get into the door. And here's Natasha, just traumatized. And Peter's still shouting for help. And Thor is over there screaming for help also. And Ironheart is also running away like Clint. Clint's begging for help. And here's where we used to put Steve. Steve doesn't go here anymore since they've already built Steve's thing here, because it was too was too what is it called? It was too small in here, and he didn't have lots of space to, like, you know, exercise around. And then, so this is the tour over here. Let's go over here. This is the walls, and to prevent Steve from the sun, the heat from the sun, and the rain from the wind. And this is the wall, and there's a metal thing here. I don't know why there was there. And then you can see over there, that's where his food is. But we usually put his food in there. We usually don't do this anymore. So yeah, here's Steve. He's still getting a little mature and stuff, like I said earlier. They're still shouting for help. Bro. Like, he's trying to follow me everywhere I go. Look, I close this door, right? And he's gonna be like, get over here too. And yeah. So basically, so if we walk over here, right? So we walk over here, right? Here is my new bike. It's this one, and it's good to ride actually, because the brakes are smooth, and but the acceleration is a little hard because we have to twist it backwards, like. And then here's like the stand thing here. So usually I would get this, right? It would go over there, and then it would go all around the grass, everywhere, all around. So yeah. And then, so yeah, that's basically the entire thing that's been updated. And yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and consider subscribing.